Good morning, dear students. In our previous lecture, we have started with chapter number 5, Inside the Atom. From this, we have completed till electronic configuration and the various atomic model. Now, for the today's topics, firstly, electronic configuration of elements, valency and electronic configuration, मूलद्रव्यांचे इलेक्ट्रॉन स्वरूपण आणि मूलद्रव्यांची संयोजा. This table is given in your textbook. There are 4 columns: shell and electron capacity of the shell. In shell there is symbol and the number of the shell is given. The electron capacity of the shell we will derive by the formula 2n square, and by using the formula we will calculate number of electrons. Now consider the first shell, therefore n is equal to 1 and the symbol is k. The formula is 2n square. Now put n is equal to 1 in the formula. 1 square into 2. 1 square is 1, 1 into 2 is 2. In this way, we can find out the different capacity of the different shells. So students, here are some criteria for the electronic configuration of elements. The shell-wise distribution of the electron in an atom of an element is called the electronic configuration of that element. Each electron has definite energy as per the shell in which it is present. Energy of an electron in the first shell, K shell, is the lowest, and energy of electron in the subsequent shell goes on increasing with the ordinal number of the shell. As we have studied, the maximum capacity of electron of the first shell K is 2. That of second shell is 8. That of third shell, that is 18. So in this way we can say that the energy is increasing as the number of shell is increasing. And the shell wise distribution, it means what? म्हणजेच प्रत्येक कक्षेच्या क्षमतेनुसार त्यामध्ये फिरणाऱ्या इलेक्ट्रॉनची संख्या आणि ऊर्जा ही ठरवली जाते. Here one diagram is given of electronic configuration of K shell, L shell and M shell. See, we will consider the first shell K shell. It has maximum capacity of 2 electrons, therefore 2 circles are given. In the second shell, L shell, there are 8 electrons, and in the M shell there are 18 electrons which are revolving around the nucleus. So in this way we can say that K shell has maximum capacity of 2 electrons, L shell has maximum capacity of 8 electrons, and M shell has a maximum capacity of 18 electrons. We can find out the maximum capacity of electron by using the same formula. If suppose we have to find out how many electrons are there in the fourth shell, n is equal to 4. So the 4 square is 16. 16 into 2 is 32. So we can say that fourth shell has maximum capacity of 32 electrons. So in this way we can calculate the maximum holding capacity of electron of each shell. You have to draw this diagram. Now this chart is also given in your textbook. It is showing the electronic configuration of some elements. You have to draw same chart in your notebook also, and you can use the 2 joining pages for drawing this chart if it is not fit in your notebook. So here we will see one by one which columns are given. First column is of atom, second column is of symbol, third column is of electron number in an atom, Fourth column is of distribution of electron like K shell wise, L, M and N shell wise distribution. The last column is showing electronic configuration in numerical form. So how to write electronic configuration, that we will learn here. So here the first atom is given hydrogen. The symbol of the hydrogen is H. Also the electron number in the atom is 1. So it is containing only one electron. Therefore, one electron belongs to the first shell K. So the electronic configuration in the numerical form of hydrogen is 1 only. Now we will consider the next element is helium. The symbol of the helium is He and the number of electrons in heliums are 2. And we know that the maximum capacity of the first shell K is 2. That's why in the first shell K it is written 2 and therefore the electronic configuration is only 2. Now we will consider the next element, that is lithium. The symbol of lithium is Li and the number of electrons in the lithium are 3. Now to split 3, how will you split 3? We know that the maximum capacity of the first shell is 2 and the remaining 1 electron I will write in the L shell. So the electronic configuration of lithium is 2, 1. Now consider carbon. Atomic number is 6. So the maximum capacity is 2 of the first shell. 6 minus 2 remaining 4 electron in the L shell. 2 plus 4 is 6. So the electronic configuration in numerical form 2, 4. Consider nitrogen again. Atomic number is 7. So in the first shell 2 electron, remaining 5 electron we will write in the second shell L, because 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. And the electronic configuration of the second of nitrogen is 2, 5. We will write in this last column 2, 5. The next we will learn for the sodium. In this way you can write for oxygen also, fluorine also and neon also. Let's consider sodium. The atomic number is 11. Maximum capacity of the K shell 2. 11 minus 2 is 9. So the maximum capacity of L shell is 8. We have to write 8 over there because 2 plus 8 is 10. And now the remaining electron is 1, that we will going to write in the M shell. So 2, 8 and 1. This is the electronic configuration of sodium. That we are going to write in the last column 2, 8, 1. If we consider the next element chlorine, the atomic number is 17. So similarly we can write electronic configuration 2, 8, 7. The last element bromine. For bromine atomic number is 35. The first shell is containing only 2 electrons, remaining 33 electrons we have to write in the remaining shell. So the maximum capacity of next shell is 8. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 18, 28. So the last shell is containing only 7 elements, 7 electrons. So total is 35. So the electronic configuration of this element 2, 8, 18 and 7 in the last column we have to write. So in this way here I have taught you all electronic configuration, how to write and how to recognize the electronic configuration. Similarly, you have to complete this table and note down in your notebook. Now let's consider The terminologies of writing the electronic configuration. It is in the numerical form, it contains number which are separated by the commas that I have shown you in the chart, in the table. Therefore, we have written there the electronic configuration for sodium. It is atomic number is 11. So 2, 8, 1 2 स्वल्पविराम 8 स्वल्पविराम 1 हे त्याचे इलेक्ट्रॉन स्वरूपण आहे, कारण सोडियमचा अणुअंक म्हणजेच ॲटॉमिक नंबर आहे 11. जर आपण 11चं स्प्लिटिंग केलं तर 11 हे स्प्लिट केल्याच्या नंतर आपल्या असं लक्षात येतं की पहिल्या कक्षेची कमाल मर्यादा आहे 2, दुसऱ्या कक्षेची कमाल मर्यादा आहे 8. 2 अधिक 8 बरोबर 10 आणि उरलेला एक इलेक्ट्रॉन हा तिसऱ्या कक्षेमध्ये राहील, म्हणून हे इलेक्ट्रॉन स्वरूपण असेल 2 स्वल्पविराम 8 स्वल्पविराम 1. नीट हे समजून घ्या, कारण अशाच प्रकारे तुम्हाला इतर मूलद्रव्यांची इलेक्ट्रॉन स्वरूपण लिहायची आहेत. नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज व्हॅलेन्सियन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन, म्हणजेच मूलद्रव्याचेच इलेक्ट्रॉन स्वरूपण आणि संयुजा यामध्ये काय संबंध असतो, दॅट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न इन नेक्स्ट पिरियड. फॉर टुडेज लेक्चर you have to use your brain power, what we have studied earlier. What are the symbols which are used for the shells which accommodate the electrons in the various atoms? Come on, think about it and write the answer as K, capital K, L, M, N. These are the, in this way we can write the next letters to the ordinal atom. 1, 2, 3 and 4 are used for the shell. You have to copy this question answer in your notebook also. What is the symbol and ordinal number that of innermost shell? Answer is we know that the symbol and ordinal number of the innermost shell. The innermost shell of an atom is K with ordinal number is 1. Answers of these questions are very simple, but just you have to memorize and revise all this part very well. Then only you can write the answers. Now the next question for this, for using your brain power, write symbol of electronic distribution in shell of fluorine atom. We have to write the symbol of electronic distribution in shell of fluorine atom. The electronic distribution of fluorine is 2,7. Why it is so far? Because the atomic number of fluorine is 9. फ्लोरीनचा ॲटॉमिक नंबर म्हणजेच अणुअंक आहे 9, म्हणून त्याचं इलेक्ट्रॉन स्वरूपण हे 2 स्वल्पविराम 7 असं असेल. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हॉट इज द आउटरमोस्ट शेल ऑफ फ्लोरीन ॲटम? L. Why it is to be L? Because the first shell is K. It has atomic electronic configuration 2,7. So second shell is containing 7 electron. What is the outermost shell of sodium atom? We know that the atomic number of sodium is 11. So 2, 8, 1. K, L, M. Therefore, M is the outermost shell of sodium atom. Which is the outermost shell of hydrogen atom? We know that there are only 1 electron. So, K is the outermost shell of hydrogen atom. Only 1 shell. So in this way, here we have completed for the today's topic. Please write down in your notebook very well and send me a PDF on my personal WhatsApp account. Thank you.